In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to find your Ethereum wallet address inside of Coinbase. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Coinbase on either your website or on your smartphone device, and then log into your account. Then from here, you need to go down to the right-hand corner where it says Explorer, and then it should be looking something like this. Here you can see all of the top assets that is currently traded on Coinbase, but to find your Ethereum wallet address, you need to click on Transfer and then receive crypto from another crypto wallet, like so. Then from here, you'll see assets to receive, and now you need to go up to the search bar and click in Ethereum, like so. Then from here, you need to click on it and select the network. And you need to make sure that you choose the correct network, because all of these networks have different coin wallet addresses. If you choose the wrong one, there's a possibility that the crypto won't receive to your crypto wallet and will be lost forever. But you need to click on it. And as you can see here, you'll have a QR code and you'll see your wallet address down here. And you can copy it to clipboard if you want to do that. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!